Candlestick charts are a primary tool for tracking price movements. They turn complex data into a simple visual format for every investor. Each candlestick represents the price action of an asset over a specific period, like 1 day or 1 hour. Every single candle displays 4 critical pieces of information: the starting price, the closing price, and the highest and lowest points reached. The colored body shows where the price moved, while the wicks help you spot volatility and price rejection during that time frame. While line charts show the general trend, candles reveal the struggle between buyers and sellers within each time window. This chart shows how price can fluctuate during a session, proving that the closing price only tells part of the story. Remember that these tools help you read market history, but they do not predict the future of any asset. Understanding charts takes practice. Subscribe for more basics to build your financial literacy. Educational content, not financial advice.